AI will change everything. The robots are taking over. AI is here to help you become more efficient at being an artist. There's going to be a lot of people out of jobs, and there's also going to be a lot of people making a lot of money from this. If you're not using AI, then you're going to get left behind as an artist. The AI that I'm going to talk to you guys about is called Midjourney. Midjourney is relatively new and not a lot of people know about it. And I'm actually super excited to show you guys how powerful it is and how you can effectively use it to grow as an artist. So to keep it really simple with you, basically Midjourney is an image or visual AI. So basically you give it a command and it spits out the exact image that you have just described via text. So imagine being able to create your own cover arts or your own visuals for all of your releases. Literally no more need to pay someone to create you a cover art. Bye graphic designers, and yes to saving money on your own art. So just to give you guys a quick breakdown of the current stage of AI development, everything is basically done via text command. So the more efficient and effective you are at telling it what to do or explaining or describing what you want, the easier and more it will push out the kind of content that you actually are seeking. So I'll show you guys what I mean in the video because it is totally insane that it can even do this. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the computer and see what Midjourney is all about and what all this crazy excitement is for. All right guys, check this out. This is called Midjourney. It's literally a visual AI to help you create images. So basically what you do when you first get started is join the beta group, and it's gonna bring you over to Discord. So you need to have a Discord. Make sure you create a Discord. Discord is the future, just saying. And basically you can come in and you're a new member. So you use any of the newbie tabs on the left. All you do is you come in and you start typing a command, and it spits out 4 different images and 4 different variations. As you can see, there's a bunch of people already typing in stuff and it's spitting out images. Realistic photo of empty wooden photo frame on desk with plant in background, frame mock-up. Again, these are all fake images. They're AI created images. Real fashion show background, real body avatar, fake. Look at this. Insane. An ultra realistic render of a premium Arabic style hotel of a heritage theme built on an authentic Red Sea architectural style. Like what? Insane, guys. You can even use this to build websites. For example, I was scrolling through earlier and I saw this one. Website for selling crime stories in game. Minimalistic UI UX. Like what? It literally just spits you out an entire design for a website. That's insane. And it does it in less than a minute. That doesn't make sense. A flat earth with a dome. Now, basically, when it spits you out one of these variations, you have these U1 and V1s on the bottom. Basically, you pick the variation you want by selecting one of these options, and then it spits out 4 more variations similar to that one you just selected. So you can keep on refining and keep on optimizing your images until you get exactly what you want. This is why I want to show you guys this, because imagine doing this for your cover art. You can literally just put in a command and it spits out exactly what you want. Happy birthday, keep face only. So right here, you can see people are uploading images of their own personal images and asking the AI to create something using this image. And yeah, let me just go into showing you guys how this works. All right guys, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you're completely new to AI and you know other artists that can benefit from AI, send them this video. So I type in / or / image, and then I give it a prompt. So let's say I'm a rapper and I wanted to create a cover art for one of my next songs in Disney style. Literally, there's probably nothing out there like that, but let's try it. Rap cover art in Disney style with a Lamborghini and eagle. Let's see. So now I just wait, and it should take less than a minute for it to spit out exactly what I want. And this is live. You can see people actually creating stuff live. So here we go. Look what it spit out. Wow, this is insane. And then what you can do with this is you can upload your own face and have it swap the faces and put your face here. Like, how insane is this? Wrap cover art in Disney style with a Lamborghini and eagle. And this is what it spit out. This is a game changer, guys. If you're not on this or not using this already, I highly recommend that you get good at telling it exactly what you want. And you can even tell it what camera style you want. So if I have a 55mm lens, you can say, using a 55mm lens, create me a wrap cover art in Disney style with a Lamborghini, or using an 85 or 100mm. So basically it will just either show more background or show, it'll zoom in and show closer to you. This is insane, guys. And you can literally do this for anything. So if you guys are gonna do this, I highly recommend coming in and start reading other people's descriptions, see how they describe things, and use those descriptions to modify your own search. What's also dope is you can combine images by doing /blend, right? So it allows you to upload 2 images, and then you can combine the images together and give it a description of what you want the output to be. Like, again, how insane is this? I hope you guys see the power of AI and what you can do with it potentially. Soon they're gonna release AIs that allow you to create animations and videos. You'll be able to create your own animations, your own advertisements, unique, something no one else has, because the way you explained it and described it using your text is going to be unique to you. So just to give you guys a pricing, Midjourney is usually, you have 20 art pieces that you can create for free, and then afterwards you'll have to either pay, I believe, either $10 to $25 to be able to get unlimited images. So if you guys want to go crazy with this, literally $10 to $30, you'll be able to create as many variations as you want. All right, guys, so as you saw, you can do many things with AI, especially when it comes to visuals. So this is going to be a game changer for the artist that jumps in right now, because the more effective you are at communicating with AI, meaning the faster you're getting and start actually communicating with them, the easier it's going to be for you to actually get them to do what you want later on when the technology does get developed more. So I highly recommend all of you guys to start jumping into using the AI technology so you can at least start practicing with communicating with it. You can literally ask it to do anything and then keep refining until you get exactly what you want. This basically turns all artists into pro artists. Sure, it's not your original work, but if you're able to communicate with AI better than someone else, then they will never be able to replicate exactly what it is that you asked for. Plus, the AI is always developing and always changing. So if you ask it something today and ask it the same thing tomorrow, it will still be completely different. So yes, you can build your own style and build your own brand using this technology. So if you found value from this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with other artists who may not know about AIs yet. And I have a couple more videos right here that you can check out. See you guys over in those videos.